Okay, so my last attempt to clean the niobium cylinder failed miserably. However, the past several hours, I've been letting it soak in sodium hydroxide. And I made it from scratch because I have my big container of sodium metal. And I've just been adding more and more sodium to this small amount of liquid and getting it really, really concentrated. And as you can see, it's gray. Well, a lot of it's gray. There's still some yellow. There's still just a hint of purple in some places. But, yeah, for the most part, I've had some decent success with it. But it's gotten to the point now where it's getting so concentrated that I don't even know that it's doing much anymore, so I'm probably going to add some water to it and see if that helps.